Hello guys, ngayong araw na to may ituturo ko sa inyo upang lumakas po ang ating internet signal. Ito po ay nasubukan ko na at effective, malakas po ang signal ng internet ko. Una, punta tayo sa settings. Ito, hanapin nyo yung mobile networks. Kasi sa akin nasa connection ang nakalagay ang mobile network ko sa connection. Iba-iba po kasi ang style ng settings. Pagkatapos pindutin nyo ang mobile networks. Pindutin nyo ang access point o APN guys. Ito, mobile networks at APN. Ito guys, pagkatapos mag-a-add tayo ng APN. Pindutin nyo lang itong add. Ito guys, ito pindutin nyo lang yan para maka-add tayo ng APN. Una, sa name ang ilagay natin ay T dash mobile space 5G space APN. Yan po guys, T dash mobile IT dash mobile space 5G space APN. Okay po guys, then APN guys, small letters po lahat guys. A B C dot pala dot tmobile.com. Yan po guys, small letters po lahat guys. epc.tmobile.com. Okay lang po. At saka sa server guys, server directory .google.com. Then okay, wag na po natin galawin yung iba guys. Authentication type not set. APN protocol default, APN protocol IPv4, APN roaming protocol IPv4. Bearer guys is unspecified po guys. Okay po sa lahat guys. Okay, pagkatapos guys, i-save na natin po natin guys. Pindutin nyo lang tatlong dot ito guys, then save. Okay na guys, pindutin nyo guys, gamitin nyo yung T-Mobile 5G APN. Mag-refresh pa yung ating guys 4G plus 10. Yan, punta tayo sa YouTube. Yan guys, Lakas po guys. Walang ready.
They have 2.5 to play. They put themselves in a position to not only catch him, but to go ahead and win. But they've got to be pretty clean the rest of the way.
Yeah, and Dinwiddie, for most part, they have held him. Again, nothing here in the quarter.
So yun guys.
16
Lakas po
at
guys.
half.
Safety.
AD will bring it across.
Sana guys may natutunan po kayo at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-like. Yan po guys. Maraming salamat.